What's up, everyone? It's Brace from LangChain, and today I'm excited to announce that OpenWiki is officially adopting the Open Knowledge Format spec from Google. What this means is every OpenWiki generated or updated going forward will conform to the OKF spec. So, what does this actually mean in practice? Well, at a high level, the OKF spec is fairly simple. It's basically just adding YAML front matter to your wiki docs, an index.md file that contains an index of all the MD files in that directory, and a log.md, which you can think of as a changelog. Let's take a look at what this YAML front matter actually looks like in some real docs. So, as you can see, I have the OpenSui project up here with the OpenWiki docs, and there's this new YAML front matter at the top of the docs. This is the main difference between the old OpenWiki without OKF and the new OpenWiki with OKF. OKF requires us to have this YAML front matter, which contains a type, title, description, resource, and tags. What this will mean for us is we can implement better and more accurate search and retrieval tools for OpenWiki. So, before, the way your agent would discover docs in OpenWiki was through pure agentic search, right? Using the file system, iterating through the files in the OpenWiki directory, and trying to find the one which best matched the question it had. With these YAML front matter, we can implement better, more deterministic search tools, like say, filtering on different tags, or finding all of the docs with a specific type. For example, let's say the type is BigQuery tables, and your agent says, I want to get all the docs on BigQuery tables. Well, it could say, find all the OpenWiki docs with a type of BigQuery tables. Then instead of having to search through every single doc, read the actual contents of them, and try to decide which docs document BigQuery tables and which don't, it can just perform a deterministic filter based on the type and get back every doc for, in this case, BigQuery tables. The same applies to tags, resources, which can link out to either external URLs or, in often the case in OpenWiki code-based wikis, internal files. It can do full text search on descriptions or titles, and more. So with this spec, because it's so simple, it's so easy to add to OpenWiki, right? It's just adding this initial YAML front matter to your docs, and it will allow us to add many more deterministic, faster, and more efficient search tools to OpenWiki to allow your agents to more efficiently query data. The second main reason is the open source ecosystem that's being built around OKF. Although OKF is a very new spec, there's already a robust ecosystem being developed around it. As we can see here, this is an open source visualizer from Google that you can plug into your wikis to visualize all the docs within their wiki, how they connect to one another, and click into these actual docs and see the description, resource, tags, and the actual doc contents. The OKF spec is still very new, so there's still lots going on. But we decided that it would make sense to adopt it in OpenWiki because it'll give us better search, and we can utilize the open source community being built around OKF. So in OpenWiki 0.2, it has official support for OKF with lots of new features coming soon, like better search and retrieval tools, UI for visualizing your OpenWiki docs, and more. So if you like this, please go try out OpenWiki. It's open source. It's free to use. You can log in with ChatGPT or set an API key. Try it out. If you have feature requests, feedback, or bug reports, open an issue. And of course, if you want to add new features, we love it getting contributor PRs, so please put up a PR, and I'll see you all in GitHub.